Freddie.
So how is life with you these days?
Right.
How many resident dogs have you got at the moment?
23.
So you've got Mummy of this litter and 2 other girls?
No, Chase, the young boy,
Okay.
and Shadow, my old boy.
All right.
While I'm there keeping another bitch. The key is taken to go out and buy a blue male bitch puppy.
You don't feel the urge to try and breed your own?
The only dog I produce is Max, and he's TNS carrier. And I won't do it.
No. I think you're very wise. I know you don't get carriers, if you've got any...
You can have puppies tested, obviously, and keep yourself a clear one, but then what do you do with all the carriers?
Yeah.
Palm them out into the breeding system. I know there's a lot of people that do, and I can't see no point in doing the test if you're still going to breed from them.